Wiki of Science present here another data article, in this case on the nutrition claims and on the BNI, or Balanced Nutrition Index of yogurts. This research was done by Perez Gonzalez with data collected during 2011. Now if we go to the article here and we go to the methods section, we will learn that the author used a large sample of 342 yogurts, a stratified sample including different yogurts, as we can see here: soy and cow milk yogurt, natural and flavored yogurt, fat-free to creamy yogurts, etc. And again, the main dependent variable, if you wish, there is the balanced nutrition index that these yogurts achieve using this technology, and the main grouping or independent variables in this case are all those nutrition related claims that may appear on a yogurt as a marketing for marketing the yogurts, like high fiber, low fat, low sugar, low sodium. Even if not all those claims need to appear on the yogurt, and definitely they don't need to appear on the same yogurt at the same time. Now if we go to the go to the data and scroll down to the table, which is perhaps the most informative in this video, we can see here that three main claims appear on yogurts, and these are low sugar, low fat, or high fiber, or related claims, right? And here on the table we have divided each of those claims into groups, whether there is a claim on the yogurt or whether there is not. And the BNI has been grouped in steps of 10, so just to make the table much more readable. And it has the benefit of that we can use these frequencies per each of these categories as a sort of graph as well. So we can see here that yogurts which do not have a low sugar claim seems to be more numerous than those who sport or which sport such a claim, and also they tend to group around here between 70 and 120, with the median probably coming to be between 90 and 100, which actually we can see here that it indeed is 90.5, and the same for the other claims. So just looking at this graph, we can see that most yogurts do not have a low sugar claim, they do have a low fat claim, and they do not have a high fiber claim. And again, we can see where they are centered for each of those groups anyway. That information is summarized here by the median. So we see that in general, yogurt with a claim either of low sugar, low fat, or high fiber tends to be slightly less unbalanced than yogurt which do not have such a claim. Now this one here is interesting because although the median is higher, if the yogurt presents a low sugar claim, actually we can see that it's an artifact of how divided the group is. Alright, and indeed we can see that there is a difference between those having or not having a claim, and it's significant always in the direction of having a claim. So if the yogurt has such a claim, significantly indicates that yogurt is more balanced than otherwise. So these results here should be considered as a fluke due to differences in the way things are reported. And again, these are the correlations between sporting a claim and the balanced nutrition index. If we were going to go down and see how it maps against other foods, we can see here that yes, yogurt just having such a claim tends to be better than not having such a claim, which compares well in the case of when we compare that against breakfast, for example, where only having a low sugar claim identifies better cereals than other claims anyway.